if you are following proper things, you can easy to get the ISN. Last this very 15 minutes I will take getting DOI. So there is nothing to worry. Don't give any money to anyone. DOI, for DOI is a digital object identifier. I already said it's a permanent address given to your article. If you are changing the website, shifting from one domain to domain, also the DOI number remains the same. DOI number, if I am shifting the exonjournal.com to exon.com, but the DOI number I assign to my article remains the same. I want to change the Exxon journal. Domain has been taken by somebody, but I can start another website to exxon.com and upload all these papers. But the DOI remains the same. DOI, this ID, this DOI remains the same. It's followed by cross reference. So DOI will first when we apply for DOI, they will the same thing, the same as ISN. They will contact you and evaluate the journal and contact you, and after contacting only they will give you they will assign a DOI prefix. This one is the prefix. DOI.org, this one 1.1016. This is the prefix. They will assign you a prefix to your journal. That is a permanent thing. Okay, your journal as a prefix. This is a suffix. You can add. I will show you how I add suffix tomorrow in the open journal system. So this prefix you can add according to your after getting the DOI. So DOI prefix they will give, suffix you can add. So DOI is gives you credibility. So DataCite and Crossref are the companies which you give genuine DOI, and easily it can be cited. Citation is easy if you have a DOI, and it can be tracked for indexing Google Scholar. All these things is very easy. If you are publishing, I will tell you, if you are publishing in open journal system, after publishing in 1 or 2 weeks it will be indexed in Google Scholar. If you are publishing in a GoDaddy website or something, it will take some time for the Google Scholar to index. But if you get the cross reference, this DOI, it will be more easier to get indexed in the Google Scholar. And DOI make your article index in many other places, so that your article will reach more people. That is what your discoverability of the article will increase. As the article reach more people, your journal will get more citations, and that is will help you. Okay, that's all. That's all. We'll see the open journal system tomorrow. So DOI. Okay. So DOI, if you go to cross reference website, last topic I am completing. So if you go to cross reference website, you will not get the it will you need to pay some amount of dollars for the getting the DOI. So it will be more costly. But if you have a sponsor here in India, then you can get it in very cheaper rate. The prefix you will get free of charge. So my sponsor is KVR KVR Scientific Services. So you can also contact them. I will give the contact, and they will provide you DOI for free. And each DOI assignment, means each article you need to take the DOI. For each assignment they are taking 120 rupees. So like that, the service is also, even if you ask night also midnight also, they will assign the DOI. So like that, service is very good. So this link I will paste. First you call them, and then you start filling the application. So I will give the contact also. So before as you get the ISN only, you can apply for the DOI. You can apply for the DOI without getting ISN, but it will create confusion. So after getting ISN, you should apply for the DOI. That is the thing which I have learned. So I have tried to apply earlier, but the people said that apply only after getting ISN. So after getting your ISN approved, after getting your second issue, they will approve and publish in the international center which I have shown. Then only go to our application. Here I just type something to show you people. So given name, some name you need to give, family name you need to give, and email address you need to give. Okay. Okay, just to show you people, I'm just showing. So you need to fill these details. You need to accept this as a sponsored member. If you are applying directly, you can your journal can apply directly to cross reference, but there is no change. You can vote. You have the voting rights. You are a member of cross reference here also. If you are a sponsored member also, you are a member of cross reference. You have the right to vote and elect the president. All these things of cross reference. You will get the voting mail. All these things if you just a member of this cross reference. So don't worry about that. You will be a sponsored member from a sponsor from India. Otherwise, you can directly take, but they will take some dollars. It will cost more. So you can take like this. So you will get the same DOI only. I can show you my journal DOI in the cross reference website. So next, here you need to select your organization sponsoring you. So you just I have selected KVR Scientific Services. So they will get the confirmation if you select this institution. If you are any other institutions, you can provide it more cheaper rate, or if you are taking from any other institution, you can take the name of your institution and all these things you can type. Just some not going to submit. Don't submit it because they will create problem. Your organization address. Some typing something. Country India. Show you people what it is. Zip code. Okay. Okay. Something to show. What zip code is not there. Okay. These are things, the basic things only you need to submit, and you will get the field town city. Okay. Something I filled. Okay. You need to select whether the type of organization, publisher, and whether the organization is profit or non-profit. What is your revenue, and then the website address of the organization, and the website address of the journal. You already have a DOI prefix or not? Do you already work with a different sponsor? If you are work with a different sponsor, you can just write that sponsor name. You can transfer your sponsor. So who will register the DOI records? Mostly we agreed that we will register on records. We agreed that sponsor relation. My DOI is registered by sponsor only, because I am sending the XML file to them. They will register and paying the money. That is why I don't know much about registering my own, how it is happening. So you can talk with them, these sponsors. I will give the number. And do you host your own content in a platform? All these things you need to check, and then your contacts, and then complete and submit, so that you will definitely get the mail from them in 2-3 days, and they will confirm in a month. They will confirm your prefix, and then you can start registering your DOI with them. So it is very simple process. No money needed for the getting the DOI, and you will get all rights for voting, everything in the cross reference. So you can register like that. So these are the things which we